Ladies and gentlemen of Fubar, are we having a good time tonight?
Guys, we know how this all works. We ask the first time, you do something, and then you come back and say, guys, are we having a good fucking time tonight? And you get louder! We are not a third time's the charm kind of band. This song is called Jonah.
Who's ready to get rowdy? I want you to fucking show it to me! Find your heart!
We got Mr. Mike Stringer Jr. here. Nice. All right. To not delay the inevitable, we are birds of squalor. We like to properly introduce ourselves. I'm jackass number 1. That's jackass number 2. He's actually the nicest person on the planet. He's actually a jackass. And then wherever Jamie is, he mixed feelings. Talk to him. You'll get to know him. It's fine. He's mid at best. Yeah. Let's do a Midwestern social while you guys drinking real quick, huh? Oh yeah. Oh, Batman. All right.
Is your energy spent yet?
Wait till you hear my...
Don't tell me your energy spent yet.
Who's ready to dance? Who wants to dance a little bit tonight? We're the last shitty band you have to
This is the
hear.
newer one coming out on our new album. The song's called No Way to Die. Hope you enjoy.
Tyler, I love you. So let's dance, everybody. I need to see that 2-step. Who knows that line dancing, huh? Line dancing, anybody?
Any kind of dancing will work.
Hey, he's straight back from Texas, so he
Any
really
kind of
knows
dancing
it.
will work.
Alright. Let's have some fucking fun tonight. Here we go. Gotcha. I'm like David Blaine, a magician, baby.
You know,
Who plays the guitar until you make noise? Let's do that one more time, huh?
It's a feeling, people breathing, shaking, dragging.
So did everybody dance on that song? Did everybody get to dance? Did you get at least to a 5 out of 10? 6.3 out of 11? Did we get that far? Because we're gonna make it real sad here soon. Me neither, that's why I'm an artist. Me neither, that's why I'm an artist. So we have a very special person in the house tonight. It's not just me. You can't deflate my ego that hard, I already know. No, it's not Jamie.
Well, thank you for that one.
Jackass number 2. No, it's actually somebody that's not sharing the stage with us, but we'd like to invite him up really fast. Mr. Ty Dunn, are you in the house? Is Ty Dunn in the house? Oh, there he is. Our very own
Resident
party
bassist.
hat. What's it called? Mohawk. There we go.
So if you don't know the special what we're doing is it's Ty's birthday.
Hey!
And he's the bassist of a fellow band of ours named called Coping in Blue. So we're going to sing happy birthday to him.
Yeah. All right. Who's doing the high harmony?
Does it matter?
No.
Okay.
Because I'm going to do it regardless.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ty. Happy birthday to you.
All right, and clearly he's going to crowd surf, so everybody needs to come in the middle.
All right, guys, so we're going to slow this down a little bit. We're going to still share some new music for you. We're going to slow it down a little bit. But there is this question that Chris always likes to ask. Does anyone here like black metal?
Who likes black metal?
So, don't go outside for a cigarette just yet. If you like that.
Everybody knows minor keys are the best, right? Minor keys are the best. Can I get an amen to that? Like, come on.
I think I kind of like all the keys.
Yeah, you would.
I mean, Key West, Key Lime Pie.
I like key lime pie.
Okay, there we go. Okay. This song's called Hymn of a Martyr. I hope you enjoy.
We're the only white guys in St. Louis that play black metal.
So I think that was the first time we ever saw somebody crowd surf at one of our shows. You guys fucking rock!
So how cool is it? How cool is it that Fubar's back, everyone? If you know this or not, all of this stuff is actually from the original Fubar from Locust Street. So this is literally the second incarnation of Fubar. The backdrop, the speakers, the wedges, everything. We haven't played Fubar since before the pandemic, and it's really cool to be back to do this thing with Bob and Nick and all those amazing people. And they put a lot of hard work into getting this place open to do these things. Give it up for them. Give it up for their staff. Give it up for all of you people for coming on a Saturday night to support live and local music. How the fuck was Omissions?
How was that my worst?
Oh, they were the worst! And how was Echoes of Goo? Nice.
I remember whenever we were asked to do this bill, we were like, wow, it seems just like our Run the Point Fest bill.
Right.
But then I saw the group of people who were playing with us like, oh, this is gonna be a fucking fun night. And it was, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, we want to give it up to CJ running sound tonight and making it sound epic. And then of course, Mr. Rustin Smith with Code 1 Productions for putting this all together. And thank you all again for showing out. This next song's about addiction. If you know anybody that has ever suffered from it, or you yourself are suffering from it, there are people out there to help you. I am a huge advocate for helping people. I actually suffered from some mild addiction back in, I guess, October through December. So I finally got to participate in that kind of thing with alcohol. So
there's always someone willing to listen if you're willing to talk.
And you can message me because I know both sides of the table. So without further ado, this song is called Hellbound Road. And if you know anybody that suffers from addiction, is lost to addiction, or is suffering from yourself, there is somebody out there for you. Let's go. You stand before me, reason with him.